Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm breaking down the basics of putting on boxing gloves. Whether you're totally new or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered. Step 1. Prepare your hands. Always start with clean, dry hands. It might sound basic, but trust me, it matters. Dirty or wet hands can cause discomfort, and you don't want to deal with blisters. Take a quick look for any cuts or scrapes so you don't make things worse. Step 2. Choose the right gloves. Grab a pair that fits your hand size. If you're not sure, ask your trainer or someone experienced. The right fit makes all the difference. Step 3. Hold the glove with the palm facing up and find the opening. Step 4. Slide your hand in, making sure your fingers line up with the finger slots. Your thumb should be in its own little pocket. Step 5. Pull the glove on snugly. It should feel secure but not like your hand's getting squeezed. Comfort is key here. Step 6. If your gloves have laces, wrap them around your wrist and pull tight. Not too tight though, you want your circulation to be just right. If you use Velcro, just strap it on nice and firm. Step 7. Repeat everything for your other hand. Getting both gloves on by yourself can be tricky, so ask for help if you need it. Step 8. Do a quick squeeze test. If your gloves feel comfy and secure, you're good to go. And that's it. You're ready for your boxing workout. Take care of your hands, look after your gloves, and you'll have a great session every time. Don't forget to hit subscribe and tap that notification bell so you don't miss any more boxing tips and tutorials. See you next time.